Hey, this is Sandy and I have another recipe from the Simply Earth Bath and Spa Hero Kit. This is a simple shower steamer. I have used Citrus Burst. I happen to like this in the shower in the morning. And what a shower steamer is that I'll show you the ingredients, but you put it in the kind of in the back of the shower where it gets drips from the shower, but it's not getting pummeled by the shower, and it sends off this lovely scent. Now you're going to want to be careful where you stand. You don't want to stand on it. It does have some coconut oil in it, and I may use some fractionated coconut oil to moisten it a little more as I put this together. But I've taken my solid ingredients, baking soda, cornstarch, and Nature's Orb powder. That's going to keep everything all together. I have my 12 mold here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this all together now, mix it up really well, and I'll come back when it's time for me to put it in the mold. So what we're looking for is like a dough-like consistency so that it holds its shape. So I'm going to start putting this in the molds. You want to pack it in kind of nice because obviously it needs to hold together in your shower, but it will slowly start to dissolve, and eventually there'll be nothing there. So let me get these in the mold and then I'll get back with you. Okay, so they're all in. You can put these in the fridge to let them solidify a little more. The coconut oil will solidify. You might want to leave these in the refrigerator until you're ready to use if you live in a warm climate, because coconut oil does tend to melt at a temperature, I believe it's above 72 degrees. Again, these back of the shower, just where they get the spray from your body, and no direct contact with the water, otherwise they'll just melt away to nothing. But the smell of this Citrus Burst scent is going to be wonderful in the morning. It's just a lovely way to just give your day an extra kickstart. So these are the simple shower steamers from the Simply Earth Bath and Spa Hero Kit. I will leave you a link below with a coupon code below. You can leave me your questions below. I believe I have maybe 2 more recipes from this box. I mean, you guys have been watching these videos. I think I had 10 or 11 things done. I think this is number 12. I have to kind of look at the list and see. And yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.